Casey Williams, fellow classmate of Lou Bones. I'm a senior. My major is Mass Comm, and I've taken now 4 music interest class just out of fun, just trying to learn that business as well. I double concentrated in journalism and media production, so I can do it all. You're actually doing my major right now. Yeah. So I'm testing it right now. I'm from New Hampshire, from Laconia, the Lakes region. So about an hour and a half north. Favorite city that I've been to? I would say Washington, D.C. I love sports broadcasting. That's why I came here. I do a lot of sports broadcasting. Over the summer, I'll be doing that in a summer baseball league. And then in the fall, there's a job with this athletic conference, the Northeast 10, doing some of that. So I look forward to applying and possibly getting that job. The Beatles. I have to admit, I don't know much about the Beatles. I don't listen to. Musically, I'm the type of person that if it wasn't in my time, it's not my music. It's a different generation, so I try to find likes of my own. But I respect the Beatles. They've absolutely changed music.
The spirit of Massachusetts, the spirit of America. I think I've visited enough of them. San Francisco. I gotta do that. I think Tel Aviv, that one's just pretty Jewish. Well, my whole family is personally but definitely of Jewish descendants. Beatles, pretty much the same way everyone else thinks about the Beatles, that they are.
Gowan, Nate for short. By credits, I'm a sophomore, but I'm really just a freshman here. Yep. I'm a double major in English and music. Yep. Yep, I have a writing concentration in the English major and a professional concentration in the music major. I come from Maine. I've lived and grown up in a city called Westbrook all my life. Born in Portland, but it's just where the hospital was. Yeah. Favorite city? Oh boy. I don't know. I guess my favorite city has got to be where my favorite place is, and that's my home. So I guess my favorite city has to be my hometown of Westbrook. But I haven't gotten out much, so that may change. What do I think of the Beatles? I think they're quite an iconic band in the history of musical culture. Talented musicians, certainly made the mark on their time, and they knew how to make good music. Of course, they were very popular with the ladies for other reasons, I'm sure.